Hi Crafties! Today we're going to make a cute little candy holder and I'm going to use Encore Gold Matte Foil, Encore Snowy White, and Encore Starry Night. I really love this project because it is super simple and still really cute. You're going to start by folding along all of your scored lines. Once everything is nice and folded, you're going to go ahead and apply hot glue along the center tab and glue it against the inside of the largest center panel. Quick side note, you can add goodies inside before you seal this up. Apply a little pressure and repeat for each of the side tabs. Now we're going to take some decorative ribbon and tie a cute little bow on each side. Now we're going to finish off our candy holder by adding a decorative element to the top. I chose to welcome in the new year with one of my favorite glitter specialty papers from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop's Encore collection in Starry Night. It's basically black glitter reimagined, adding lots of sparkle due to the pops of silver glitter in it. Definitely one of my top 10 favorite glitter cardstocks.